Alright, so in this video, let's talk about the three best niches that you should affiliate in that'll make you a ton of money. Alright, before that, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to keep watching new videos on business and marketing every single day. My name is Karan Dharamsi, and in this video, let's talk about top three niches that can make you tremendous money, given that you know how to market and how to sell stuff. So the first niche that has the potential to make you a lot of money is the weight loss niche. People all over the world, no matter which country, every country has issues with health and fitness, and especially obesity, right? So you will find customers in every country that are looking to lose weight. So weight loss is a big niche with billions of dollars worth of customers buying products in this niche. So if you are looking at starting an affiliate marketing business or becoming an affiliate marketer, my number one recommended niche would be weight loss. And of course, you can find great products on ClickBank, products like the Venus Factor, Turbulence Training, and you have a lot of them, a lot of cool products in the weight loss category which sell like hotcakes. So pick them. And again, let me say this, that when I talk about a hot niche that has potential of where you can make a lot of money, this is keeping in consideration that you know how to sell the product and you're a good marketer. Well, let's talk about the number two niche, which is the make money niche. Because everybody wants to make more money, right? You probably not find a lot of people who will say that, hey, I have enough money and I'm happy with the money I have. We all want to make more money, and that's why the make money niche is a really hot seller, and where you find like buying customers who are willing to buy products after products in a hope that they could make more money, and bam, this product can change their life. So again, there are a lot of great products on ClickBank about make money, right from trading in Forex to Bitcoins to how to make more money by selling this or selling that. Check it out. I think that's a really hot category, an evergreen category to make a lot of money as an affiliate marketer. So after weight loss, my second pick would be make money. And number three, although this is a little borderline difficult to market, but and the bigger networks like Facebook and Google are not so easy to run ads for this particular category. But if you know how to advertise outside of these ad networks, there are a lot of them. So and if you can advertise there, I think you will end up making a lot of money as an affiliate marketer. And the third category is the dating niche. Because this again is a really hot niche if you are looking at selling products, because you have tons and tons of customers in this particular niche. So really hot niche to make money, and the dating niche would be my third pick. So again, it's for this particular niche, it's difficult to run ads on Facebook and Google unless you're doing content marketing and then pixeling and then retargeting the traffic and hopefully converting directly from your content. But apart from that, like again, there are a lot of other ad networks which will allow you to run ads for the dating niche. So these are my top three picks. So if you were looking at making money as an affiliate marketer but were confused of which category, which niche to go ahead with, weight loss, make money, or dating, all three evergreen niches right there at your pickings. So pick one, get going and start making money as an affiliate marketer. But again, remember this, making money is not easy unless you are a good marketer, if you understand business and psyche really well. Only then you could really make money. So make sure you have your marketing skills in place, and then money would never be a problem. Dive into either one of these niches and start counting the cash. Well, on that note, I'll speak to you in the next video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. My name is Karan Dharamsi. I'll talk to you soon.